On Monday, the Supreme Court directed that a 5-judge bench will hear a clutch of petitions relating to same-sex marriage.
The matter today has been referred to a constitutional bench, a 5-judge bench, and the next date of hearing is the 18th of April.
The petitioners have argued that the provisions are discriminatory against the LGBTQ+ community and infringe on their fundamental right to dignity and privacy.
The issues discussed mainly will be, as the petitioners, we put forward that these are issues of constitutional and fundamental importance. These are issues of fundamental rights, and as such, we believe that the judiciary is the right forum to give a wide interpretation to the acts before them in order to allow this fundamental right to all people, irrespective of gender or orientation.
The centre, however, has opposed these petitions, arguing that marriages can only be between heterosexuals.
जो सेम सेक्स मैरिज है, जिसको समलैंगिक विवाह कहते हैं, तो ये भारत की परंपरा, यहाँ की जो संस्कृति है, यहाँ के जो विचार हैं, यहाँ के रीति रिवाज हैं, और विवाह जैसी संस्था जो है उसके लिए उचित नहीं होगा.
There are 19 petitions before the Supreme Court of India challenging various laws relating to heterosexual marriages. The petitioners include several same-sex couples who have not been able to get their marriages legalized due to the current legal framework.
सेम सेक्स जो है, पुरुष या स्त्री जो भी हो, उसके बीच में संबंध कोई असंवैधानिक नहीं है. नेक्स्ट तो यही हुआ कि जो है उनको सारे राइट्स मिलने चाहिए जो एक कोई भी इंडिविजुअल को मिलने प्राप्त है इंडिया के अंदर. तो उसके ऊपर जो है आप सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने पहले भी निर्णय लिया था और अब भी निर्णय लेने में सक्षम है.
The crux of the petitioners' case is that certain laws, such as the Hindu Marriage Act and the Special Marriage Act, prescribe that a marriage has to be between a man and a woman, therefore excluding same-sex couples. The petitioners have stated that over the years, the Supreme Court has granted rights to people from the LGBTQ+ community. Married couples get several privileges, such as adoption rights, inheritance claims, tax benefits, and so on, which same-sex couples cannot avail of presently. Further, the right to marry an individual of one's own choice also falls under the right to free expression and life.
मुझे पर्सनल ये लगता है समलैंगिक विवाह के लिए कि जब तक दो बालिग लोग किसी भी रिश्ते के लिए, किसी भी तरह के रिश्ते के लिए वो राज़ी हों और अपनी मर्ज़ी से वो अपना जीवन या अपनी सेक्स लाइफ आगे बढ़ाने का निर्णय लेते हैं, तो उसमें किसी को ऐतराज़ नहीं होना चाहिए.
What is the government's stand on this? In an affidavit submitted on Sunday, the union government has opposed all these petitions. It has argued that marriage presupposes a union between two persons of the opposite sex, and that the law explicitly mentions marriage has to be between a biological man and a biological woman. These laws are based on customs, rituals, and social practices. According to the government, same-sex marriages contravene the Indian family concept of marriages being heterosexual. Marriages are not a private matter, the centre said, but they have a public significance as well, since they form the building block of a society and promote social stability. Therefore, the government is the appropriate authority to regulate such relationships. What has the court said? On Monday, when the matter came up for hearing, Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud said that given the seminal importance of the matter and the legal issues involved, a constitution bench of 5 judges should hear the case starting April 18. Since all constitution bench matters are live streamed, the arguments will be available for the public to watch online.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.